guys, welcome back. Adrian here again. So as you guys can obviously probably see here next to me, we got the motor out last time in the last video. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and start disassembling it. It's not gonna be like a bare block or nothing like that, but I'm gonna take the turbo off, take the intake off and stuff like that. And just look at how everything looks, maybe see the valves. Obviously we'll see the valves, we'll see things like that. I'm gonna check the torque spec, which I said in the last video. I'm gonna check the torque spec that, the head, make sure that everything stayed within specification there. That thing got hot! Holy moly! The pressure plate, look at that pressure plate. But yeah, anyways, so the clutch is literally rated for like 250 foot-pounds of torque. We surpassed that the first time we went to the dyno. Then I went to the dyno again and made more power. So it's definitely seen better days. So definitely going with the twin disc this time around. Could get some gears actually engaged. Anyways, we're done with this. We're gonna go ahead and take the flywheel off and then put that on the engine stand. we got. So we got the motor on the stand here. Yep. And I don't know. You guys saw how sketchy that probably was. We're gonna go ahead and drain the oil here, and then probably run it through some type of cloth or something to see if there's any metal or anything like that. This oil honestly only has probably a track day and a couple nights out. Honestly, not too bad. I do gotta say, not too terrible. Like I said, only has like 80 miles on it. Can't wait to inspect. So I took my turbo guard off, inspecting the shaft plate. Honestly, pretty good in my opinion. I see nothing scoring on the walls or nothing like that.